Wow, did you hear that? They might be going global soon. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Jake, and today I'm talking about Robinhood. What is going on with Robinhood? It is down, it is near its all-time low, and is it a buy? I've been looking into Robinhood for a while, and I actually bought it at around $20 a share when it tanked, but apparently it still had 50% more to go down. I think it went up pretty high, and now it's down pretty low. So, will it go back up to its all-time highs? I'm hoping that Robinhood has a possibility of becoming profitable one day and not bankrupt. However, they could sell their company to someone one day as well. ARK Invest, right, in their holdings here on Fidelity, you can see that they have 1.8% of their holdings is in Robinhood. Alright, is this good? I mean, yeah, it's good because there's an ETF that holds Robinhood, which will help hold it up. But ARK Invest isn't like the best investment to make. I mean, look at their 1 year return, negative 44%. That's like horrible. It's holding a lot of companies that are unprofitable, and I would probably stay away from ARK Invest. Robinhood is also massively unprofitable. Do you really want to invest in a massively unprofitable stock like Robinhood? They do not have a PE ratio because they are not profitable. They have a $10 billion market cap, and let's see their earnings. Q4, their earnings was negative $423 million. Net profit margin, negative 116%. Like, look at this red right here. For earning in a company, they are doing like the worst. I invested in Robinhood because, it's just a popular platform and I feel like people use it. I use Robinhood. I invested in Robinhood on Robinhood. I normally use Robinhood for my more speculative investments. They might make it out of this negative profits. I don't know when. I don't know what's going to happen. They don't have the option to open up a Roth IRA. You can't open up a 401k. You can't open up a health savings account. You can't have more accounts than just one. Because, I was hoping, I could actually make, an account on Robinhood for my speculative investments. I'd open an account for my ETFs and index funds. And then, you can't even buy OTC stocks on it. So they have a lot of growing to do. And not only that, I feel like they're going to struggle to get there because they're losing so much money. I don't even know how they're still afloat. So Robinhood, an advantage for them, they are going to be rolling out crypto wallets soon, which I think is going to be a very good thing for Robinhood because they do get a lot of crypto trading, and a lot of people invest in crypto on Robinhood. Not as much recently because their cryptos sellings have their crypto investments have gone down and they're making less money from crypto. They made a crap ton of money through Dogecoin, but it says the platform recently began rolling out its crypto wallets to customers. By March, we will expand the program to 10,000 customers before rolling out the rest of the Win Wallets waitlist, the company said. So I'm thinking that it's going to be a little bit after March where they start rolling out the wallets. Maybe March, April, May, June. I don't know. But it's gonna come out one day. And it might help the platform. I don't know. But, it was trading around $20, $30. Will it go back up? I hope so. I hope a lot of people get their money back because a lot of people bought in at the top and now they're way down. I mean, if you want, you can lower your average if you haven't even bought in. All these IPOs, they like to tank a lot, and it seems that every IPO that's come out in 2021 has at least tanked by now. They all did good at first, and then they were phew, and then straight down, So it's going to be a while to see what happens with Robinhood. I'm hoping that the next quarter they're a little bit more profitable and they're losing less money. So Robinhood has about 22.4 million users, and they make about $100 per user. Okay, so that's what, $224 million for every quarter. So they could make about almost $1 billion a year. I don't know what they're working on that's costing them so much money. And if you think about it, like most people aren't trading crypto on Robinhood because Robinhood you can only trade like 3 or 4 or 5 cryptos on it. I don't even think you can trade like Cardano or anything. You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. You can't buy or trade any other crypto on the platform. So when they do have a wallet, what's the point, you know? You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. So this article is saying that, you know, you should probably avoid buying Robinhood, and 7% of Robinhood's shares sold short. The problem with Robinhood is like most users on Robinhood, they keep their play money on Robinhood, which means that like I said, I only buy like, you know, speculative stocks that I think might go up, and that's it. Everything else I keep on Fidelity because Fidelity is a legitimate platform. You can have your Roth IRA on it, and you can do everything on Fidelity. You can buy your OTC stocks if you want, which I would actually steer clear from. But you know, like Robinhood is definitely a play around money platform. I wouldn't like put your life savings in Robinhood, but you know, that's up to you. And they also paid a huge fine, 57 million plus 12 million interest onto the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. The company communicated false and misleading information to its customers. I see its reputation for mistreating customers as a long-term threat to its growth. I don't believe that. You know, I think that Robinhood's going to continue to grow. People are still going to want to like use their first investing platform, get their first free share. If you go in the description below, you'll see my Robinhood link. And also subscribe, you know, right there. Also, like Robinhood, they made a lot of money not only from crypto, but from meme stocks like AMC, GameStop, you know, you name it. Let's see what the chief brokerage officer of Robinhood is going to say here about the globalization of crypto. So apparently they're wanting to take Robinhood global so that they get more sales and they get more people investing on their platform.
Some of the things we're working on and probably delivering over the course of this year would be retirement accounts. We've already launched some first trade recommendations, a lot more education, a fully paid lending program so they can share in some revenues, longer hours, extended hours, hyper extended we call them, because the concept of, you know, having to wait for a bell is a little foreign to this younger generation. On the cryptocurrency side, as you know, I think we have 7 coins listed. We're doing a lot of exploration about finding compliant ways to expand that. And also, you know, roll out some other features people have been looking for, like wallets, and we also have aspirations to take this brand global, and we would do so crypto
first. Explain that, because right now, obviously, Coinbase and others are already in that space.
Well, I think the path for us to go global and have the most traction is probably through crypto, and then maybe follow with other components of the offering. Because from a just from a regulatory standpoint and all the other facets that come into it, it's probably the easiest way to go global.
Wow, did you hear that? They might be going global soon. So if they go global, like Facebook and other companies, they are going to see a huge amount of revenue compared to just where they're at right now. If you are a non-US investor and don't hold a US visa, you cannot currently open an account with Robinhood. You can only like open a Robinhood account as if you're a US citizen, like you have your visa, which could I guess make you a US citizen, or your green card or whatever. Now, if they open their platform to all countries that will let them, oh, that stock is going to blow up possibly. Now, I don't know when they're going to be able to globalize the company. I mean, you see in how long it's taken for them to get their wallet out. There's a big possibility that Robinhood can go global. Hey, maybe they'll even like make an exchange in other countries for the stocks that they have in their country. Every country has their own exchange on Robinhood. That would be awesome. Like, this is gonna blow Robinhood up. You know, how long is it gonna take? It could be 5 years. In 5 years, is Robinhood gonna be $10 a share? I don't know, but they are losing a lot of money right now. It's not looking too good for them, but I think they have the potential to do good. I think they have the potential to go global. And starting with crypto, that would be the easiest way to go global as a brokerage platform. So you can literally just have people go on Robinhood and buy crypto in every country, and then eventually they'll let you buy stocks in all those countries as they build their platform up. I don't know. Y'all have a great night. Like and subscribe. I hope Robinhood goes to the moon. Don't take my advice for it though. Figure it out yourself. Do more research. Go and dig deep into Robinhood. See if it's a good investment. See if it's going to come out on top. What is going to happen? Is Robinhood going to become profitable when they globalize to the entire world? This is going to be crazy. It's going to be a long ride. We never know what is going to happen in the stock market. What is going to happen with the Ukraine, the inflation, everything going on. People are going to start saving their money. People are going to be investing their money into value stocks right now. Everybody's talking crazy right now because the stock market is doing a correction. Who knows? But if you want to be safe, just, I don't know, get the VOO, the S&P 500, VTI, VT, anything you want, like ETFs, low cost. You know, max out your retirement accounts and stuff, and then just play around with Robinhood and all that. But yeah, like, subscribe, have a good night. I hope you just enjoyed this video. I hope you got a little bit of information out of it. So, Jake